Welcome to J&J's test video of S7HU341. It's an 07 Glacier Blue H2. Has 216 on it. The brakes are blown out of it. Got a decent armrest. Seats are worn out. Just another special edition for parts. Hit here in the rear. Runs pretty good. All the chrome package. Let you listen to the motor, watch the mirrors. The sunroof's broke. Holding oil pressure. Has a little manifold leak. Let's show you the main things. The mirrors fold. And they both work. Sunroof's broke. Sun visors are good. It drives, but it has zero brakes. Like no brakes. Like way no brakes. So I'm gonna put it in gear, show you it engages, and put it in reverse, show you it backs up, and then we're throwing it in park real quick so it don't hurt itself. All right, that's about it. And always, there's old Alabama. Some habit of her foot, just a little hopping, poor thing. All right, thank you for watching.